so I'm just going to have a look at 10.3 exam prep question 1, part B. So everyone likes talking about Facebook. So first up, we're going to talk about what kind of graph it would fit into. It wouldn't be a complete graph because, of course, each vertex isn't connected to every other vertex. I'm not going to call it a subgraph because we haven't got the larger picture of the graph that it is actually coming from. So it doesn't have any loops or multiple edges in it. So I'd be saying that this is a simple graph. So let's go ahead and have a look at some of these questions. So who is friends with both Emily and Sally? So let's identify Emily and Sally. So Emily, of course, is E, so Emily's here, and then Sally's here. So who's actually friends with both of those people? So we're looking at edges that connect to both Sally and Emily. So I can see straight up that it's going to be George, because he has a connection directly with Emily and with Sally. Emily's connected to also Mark and Alison and Kath, but Sally isn't connected to any of those people except for George here. So I'm going to say for I that is George. So who is Emily not friends with? So she's got a connection with, let's just see if I can change colour, that might be the easiest way to do it. So Emily is friends with Mark. Emily is also friends with George. She's also friends with Alison and friends with Kath. So she's not directly friends with Celeste, and she's not friends with Sally down here. But everyone else she's got as a friend on Facebook. So if Emily wanted to be introduced to Sally, so Emily wants to connect down here with Sally, which friend should she ask to make the introduction? So if we go through and look at it, if she asks Mark, Mark too doesn't actually know Sally. He doesn't have a connection with Sally. Alison too doesn't have a direct connection with Sally. And neither does Kath. So Kath doesn't either. So the only friend she can actually ask is George. She's not friends with Celeste either, so that's not going to work. So the only way that she's going to be able to check that, sort of become friends with Sally, is to talk to George. So it'll be George, because they're mutual friends. Sally's only friends, in fact, are actually George and Celeste. So that's doing 10.3, part B.